In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use COUNTIF and COUNTIFs functions in Microsoft Excel. These two functions are incredibly useful when you want Excel to count cells based on specific conditions. They save time, reduce manual counting, and make it much easier to analyze data quickly and accurately. Let's begin with the COUNTIF function. COUNTIF is used when you want to count the number of cells that meet one condition. The basic formula is equals COUNTIF, then open parentheses, followed by the range and the criteria. The range refers to the group of cells Excel will check, and the criteria is the condition you want Excel to count. To see how this works, click on an empty cell in your worksheet and type this formula, equals COUNTIF, open parentheses, B2:B6, comma, quotation mark, sales, quotation mark, close parentheses. Then press enter. Excel will return the result. This means there are 3 cells in the range B2 to B6 that contain the word sales. In this example, that tells us there are 3 employees in the sales department. This is a simple but powerful way to count matching text in a list. Now let's move on to COUNTIFs. COUNTIFs is similar to COUNTIF, but it allows you to count cells based on multiple conditions instead of just one. The structure is equals COUNTIFs, then criteria range 1, criteria 1, criteria range 2, criteria 2, and so on. Each range is paired with a condition, and Excel only counts rows where all conditions are true. For this example, we want to count employees who are in sales and also have a salary greater than $30,000. Click on an empty cell and type equals COUNTIFs, open parentheses, B2:B, comma, quotation mark, sales, quotation mark, comma, C:(C), comma, quotation mark, greater than 30,000, quotation mark, close parentheses. After typing the formula, press enter. Excel will return the result. That means there are 2 employees who meet both conditions. They are in the sales department and their salary is greater than 30,000. This is what makes COUNTIFs so useful. It helps you narrow down your count using more than one rule at the same time. As a quick tip, make sure the ranges used in COUNTIFs are the same size, or Excel may return an error. Also, type text conditions inside quotation marks, and do the same for comparison operators like greater than 30,000. That's how to use COUNTIF and COUNTIFs in Microsoft Excel to count data more efficiently and with better accuracy.